How to use promo code on Instacart. Hello everybody. If you guys are also wondering how to do so, in today's video we will be guiding you step by step. So first of all, you may just go ahead and access the Instacart application on the website on your device and log in into your account. Now, once you are logged in, you can just head over and look out for the products that you would like to add. Go ahead and check out. So you can look out for the products that you would like to add. And once you find the products, you may look out for the plus icon right beside each of the products. For example, I would like the snack. Tap on the plus icon, and that particular product will be added to cart. Now, what you may do is once the product is added to cart, you can look out for the cart option in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it and it opens up the cart section. Now what you may do is just proceed to checkout. For that, go over and tap on continue to shopping. And once you go over, you'll be taken to another page. So here, what you may do is go to checkout. Tap on go to checkout, and once you head over to that page, you can scroll down to the bottom of your page once you have added your location. Let me just go ahead and add up my location, and you'll be finding this particular interface. So again, scroll down to the bottom of your order screen, and once you are there, you should be finding section called add a promo code or gift card. So look out for that section and tap on it. And after you tap on it, here in this section, you can just go ahead and input the promo code. After that, click on redeem, and that's it. That is how you basically use the promo code on your Instacart. After you've added it, you can just continue the process, go ahead with the process of checking out, and you should be finding the product, and the promo code should be applied to the product that you're purchasing. So therefore, you may follow the steps in order to add promo code on Instacart. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.